Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to record 3 lines of audio for NVIDIA Shadowplay with the help of Voicemeeter Banana. This is useful if you use your desktop speaker for games, your headphones for voice chat, and of course your microphone for your own voice. First thing you want to do is open up your browser of choice, so vb-audio, can I spell, audio.com. Navigate the audio apps and download this virtual audio cable right here. Save file with the Voicemeeter Banana. Scroll down, download this exe file right here. I'm gonna move these onto your desktop and extract this archive like so, and you can close your browser. In this folder here you will have two options. This one is for 32-bit operating systems, and this is for 64-bit operating systems. Nowadays 64-bit is pretty much standard, so it's usually that you would use this setup. And after you've installed the cable, you want to install Voicemeeter, and then you can delete these 3 files. And you want to go to your sound right here, sound settings, and go to sound control panel. Here you will see you have 3 new playback devices: cable input, Voicemeeter aux input, and Voicemeeter input. You will have 3 new recording devices: cable output, Voicemeeter aux output, and Voicemeeter output. Keep this open for a bit while we're doing this setup. Go to your start menu, type in Voicemeeter Banana, and you will get this window right here. I'm first gonna go through. There are 2 methods that you can do. One which utilizes the audio cable and one which doesn't. I'm gonna go through the audio cable version first, and then the one without it. So first, zero out all these inputs and outputs, and then go up here to your A1 through A3 hardware outs. You're gonna choose A1 as your speakers, A2 as your headphones, and A3 as your cable. Now, over here in your sound manager, you will choose Voicemeeter input as your default device, which corresponds to your speakers, corresponds to A1, Voicemeeter aux, your default communication, corresponds to your headphones, corresponds to A2, which corresponds right here. So Voicemeeter Veo, A1, and Voicemeeter aux, A2. And then your cable should be set to both of these, A3. And then you want to open up sound mixer options, and Shadowplay has to be running for this option to show up for NVIDIA container. And here you will choose under output, you will choose cable input, and under input you will choose your microphone, which in my case is my Rode NTG 2. I will not change this at the moment because I'm recording using Shadowplay and this will mess up my recording. Not a big budget over here. Okay, now you're done with the first setup, and now I'll show you the second setup. So I'm just gonna reset the settings real quick, zero them out. I'm gonna add my speakers and my headphones. Now I'm gonna go here over to hardware input, and here I'm gonna choose my microphone. I'm not actually gonna choose my microphone because it's gonna mess up with the recording again. I'm just gonna choose the cable output just to illustrate. But this is supposed to be your microphone. I'm gonna tick in B1 and B2 right here. And then over here you will just do A1 as your speakers, A2 is your headphones, and then for your headphones you will also choose B2. This way both your microphone and your headphone audio is sent to B2 right here, which is Voicemeeter aux output, while Voicemeeter output is just your microphone going through this setting right here. Then you want to go over to your sound mixer again. The default output in this case is going to be Voicemeeter input, and then your input is going to be the Voicemeeter aux output. Now you should be pretty much done. There's a couple things I would like to mention. First of all, Voicemeeter Banana can do much more than just this, so it's a really useful program to take a deep dive into. I'm gonna link some videos in the description, so you can take a look around. But I'm gonna recommend you change some settings here first. First is restart audio engine. If there are any problems with your audio devices, this usually fixes most small issues, like if something crashes or something gets corrupted. And then I would like you to enable system tray. This makes Voicemeeter run on startup, which is really useful, and it minimizes to your tray right here. And then I would like for you to enable hook volume keys, because one drawback to using Voicemeeter Banana is the Windows volume slider right here does absolutely nothing from 1 to 100. It's just enabled or disabled, which is muted. What hook volume keys does is it takes your volume key input and it changes it to A1 right here, which is your speakers in this case. You can change this to A2, A3, or this one or this one if you utilize macro buttons. It's a bit more complicated. I'm gonna link some videos, and you can read the user manual, which is also gonna be linked in the description. And a couple of issues that you may run into: if your microphone gets static or cuts out, you might need to change to KS or MME. Same with your hardware outs, you can change between KS and MME. You also want to make sure that the formats are the same over here. Your default format, in my case I'm using 2 channels 16-bit 41/100 Hz, and keep that the same on all of the inputs and outputs to just make sure that it's not an issue. Sometimes you might need to use 24-bit, sometimes you might need to use 48,000 to get the best experience possible. I think that is pretty much it. Now the only thing that's left to do is make sure that NVIDIA fixes this. It should not be this hard. Just add an option in the audio settings right here to choose more than just one microphone and one speaker. You can't even choose your default playback device here. It just assumes it's default. I mean, I don't know. It's really stupid in my opinion. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. If you need any further help, read the description or just post a YouTube comment with your question. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.